In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PC password on Windows 10. Before we start, it's important to clarify what we actually mean by PC password. In most cases, this refers to the password you use to sign in to your Windows account. For security reasons, Windows does not show this password in plain text anywhere, so you can't just open a menu and read it. However, there are a few practical things you can do if you've forgotten it or need to manage it. First, think about what type of account you're using. On Windows 10, you're either signing in with a Microsoft account, which is linked to an email, or with a local account that only exists on that specific computer. You can check this by clicking the Start button, going to Settings, then Accounts. On the Your Info page, you'll see whether it says you're signing in with a local account or a Microsoft account. If you're using a Microsoft account, you won't be able to view the password directly on your PC, but you can reset it. Open a web browser and go to the official Microsoft account recovery page. There, choose the option that says you forgot your password. Follow the prompts. You'll usually be asked to verify your identity using an email, text message, or an authenticator app. Once you've confirmed it's really you, you can create a new password. After that, restart your PC and sign in with the new password you just set. If you're on a local account, the process is a little different. If you remember your current password but just want to change it to something easier, go back into Settings, then Accounts, and select Sign In Options. Under the Password section, choose Change. Windows will ask for your current password first, then let you create a new one and confirm it. You can also add a PIN here, which is often faster and easier to remember than a full password. Now, if you've completely forgotten your local account password and can't sign in at all, you'll need to use the Reset Password link that appears on the login screen. But this only works if you previously set up security questions. If you did, click that link, answer your security questions carefully, and then create a new password. If you didn't set those up, your options are more limited and may involve using a password reset disk or professional support. To avoid running into this problem again, consider writing your new password down and storing it safely, or use a reputable password manager. Keeping your sign-in details organized is the best way to make sure you never get locked out of your Windows 10 PC in the future.